Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the iPhone headphones, and before I get started talking about them, I just want to give you guys a quick glance of how they look. Okay, so before I get started talking about these are I believe these headphones came out with either the 5 or the 6. Please don't quote me on it because I don't know for sure when they came out with them. I want to say it was like with the 5 or 6, that's what I want to say, but I honestly don't know for sure. But these are like the ones that you stick in your ear and it kind of like plays from here and there. But yeah, so these ones usually come with your iPhone, any new iPhone that you purchase, but I actually purchased these off of Amazon. Guys, any Apple product that you purchase is expensive, so I just want to put that out there right now. A charger you purchase is going to cost you an arm and a leg. These headphones cost me an arm and a leg for headphones. But one thing about Apple is that you are not only paying for quality of the product, but you are also paying for the brand too. And so just getting started and why I decided to purchase another pair of Apple headphones instead of just getting a regular pair. I do have an iPhone, so that's obvious. I started off with an iPhone and that's how I like accumulated the original pair of headphones that I had. But anybody who was like me, and you guys can probably see from the way I keep these headphones, I'm not really good and I don't really know any ways of how to keep my headphones safe. I just recently started learning different ways, but for then I honestly was like not hip with the kids on how to keep my headphones. So I would just throw my headphones in my backpack. I would throw them, like I would be at the gym and I would just wrap them around my neck, and me not realizing it pulls on like the different cords and the quality of the headphone tends to go down, and so it just was not working out well for me. Like I would like be using the headphones and it just would pull, and it just would not work out for me, and it would just honestly be the worst time for me. But the one thing that I like, the one thing that I have recently learned is that there are different ways to upkeep with your headphones, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit later on. But just getting started on this, so it comes, the one thing that I love about these headphones is that just like if you guys look at it, just like the quality of the headphone. So it tells you which one you put in your right ear and which one with your left. So with the other Apple headphones, honestly, it told you right and left too. But I feel like with those headphones, you really didn't even have to pay attention, just because I felt like I never had to pay attention just because the way that they were shaped. So the other iPhone headphones were kind of like in a circular form, and so I never really paid attention to it. I kind of just always I kind of just always was like, okay, I'm just gonna put it in whatever ear it goes into, like is what the ear that it's gonna end up in. With these ones, you literally cannot put it in the wrong ear. Like the right ear is specifically formed for the right headphone is specifically formed for the right ear. The left headphone is specifically formed for the left ear. And then right here, this is the real reason why, guys, I decided like not to. This is honestly the real reason I decided not to go ahead and purchase like a more cheaper brand, is because of this little bar. So anybody, if any of you guys who has an iPhone, this is like a lifesaver for me. So oftentimes I'll be like on a run or a jog and stuff like that, and you don't really like have time to be trying to like pull out your phone and like pay attention to that. With this, I can turn my volume up or down. I can switch my music left or right. I can pause it in the middle and pause my music. Also, when I'm on phone calls, I can turn the volume up or down, and then I can mute my phone calls with this little button. And so with that little bar, it was just kind of like, it was already like set in stone. Like I really wasn't going to get any other product of headphones. I already knew that I was just going to end up with this product. And to be honest, like, it's just like I don't regret it at all. Like I have said before, when it comes to Apple, you're paying for the quality and you're also paying for the brand name. And as much as it pains me to say and my wallet to say, it honestly is worth it, guys. I definitely say that if you have never experienced using these headphones, the quality is so good. Like when I'm listening to music and I'm just like have it blasting, like it honestly is just like one of the most amazing feelings. And anybody who is a music junkie like I am, I love listening to music, knows that like you honestly literally cannot replace like the experience you're having. And that's why a lot of people go out and buy brands such as Beats. Like you're paying $200 for headphones, but it's not even the headphones that you're paying for, it's the experience you're gonna have listening to music or your favorite TV show, and just the quality you're gonna get when listening through those devices. And this is exactly how I feel about these headphones. Port, I love the little port, honestly, and I haven't ripped these cords yet. And this little part, my favorite too, because obviously my headphones are ripped apart. So this is really easy for me to connect to like the other cords. But like I said before earlier, I have found different ways, and something that I'll do is I'll take it around my finger and I'll tend to wrap it around so it stays in a little circle. And I'll like put a safety pin or a bobby pin or like a clip on there to make sure it stays in that form. But that's just the way that I figure it out. If you guys know any other different ways, you guys can upkeep your headphones that way. I'm pretty sure Google has a lot of different ways. But like I said before, guys, these are just the Apple headphones, and you can buy these separately, and then there's the ones that come with an iPhone. But yeah, I really love them and I suggest getting them.